Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a perspective reflection in Adobe Photoshop. So I have my popcorn image over here. I'll select the popcorn layer, press Ctrl J to duplicate, select the bottom popcorn image, and then press Ctrl T. Right click and select flip vertical. Now let's push the bottom popcorn image down and let's align it to the edge of the top popcorn image. Once you are done, just click this side. Go to edit and select perspective warp. Draw a rectangle like this and then let's align it to the edge of the bottom popcorn image. So align this side, go down and then align this side too as well. When you are done, draw another rectangle again and align it to the right side of the bottom popcorn image. So I'll be aligning this side too as well. Once you are done, let's change the settings from layout to warp. So after selecting the warp, now we'll be aligning the edge of the bottom popcorn image to the edge of the top popcorn image. So click here and align it to the edge. Let's go to the right side, click here and align it to the edge as well. Once you are satisfied with this, just click this side. Now let's add a layer mask to the bottom popcorn image. So to add a layer mask, I'll just click here, select your gradient tool, and then make sure this side the color starts from black and then ends with white. If yours isn't showing that way, just click here, open the basic group and then select the last one. So after selecting the gradient tool, place your mouse somewhere here, hold down the shift key, left click and hold and then drag up to create the reflection. Let's add an empty layer on top of the bottom popcorn image. So I'll add an empty layer by just clicking this side to add the empty layer. Select your brush tool, make sure the foreground color is black, and then let's create a shadow. So gently create a shadow like this. It doesn't have to be perfect though. So just gently create a shadow like this. I think this is okay. And then we would have to reduce the opacity of our shadow. So just click and then reduce the opacity of the shadow like this. Okay, so guys, this is how to create a perspective reflection in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Also like, comment and then share with others.